Hi, it's Shannon and welcome to today's video. So I am back with another Kinder Beauty box unboxing. So before we get started, I do want to give a shout out and thank you to Kinder Beauty Box, who is sponsoring this video. They did provide me this box to do the unboxing and talk about their subscription, but also they are going to be doing a giveaway. So stay tuned through the end, where I'm going to be talking about what you need to do for the giveaway. It's only going to run for a week. It's going to be a pretty quick giveaway, and stay tuned for that. So if you haven't watched my previous Kinder Beauty box, go ahead and click up here, or I will post a link below where I talked about just a little bit about Kinder Beauty box. I had never heard of them at that point, and they contacted me and I was really impressed. And I have continued using a lot of the products, and some of the products I have even purchased again. There was a oil that I received, a facial oil that is for nighttime, and I am on my third bottle. So I went through the one that I used in the box, and then I have since purchased two. So it is really, really great. There was also some scrunchies, some bamboo scrunchies that I absolutely loved, and I wear that scrunchie all the time. So really great box. I've gotten a lot of good use of it, and I was able to find a product that I absolutely love and have since repurchased. So I really like the mission of Kinder Beauty Box. It's about, getting products that are clean and something that you're probably not going to see at, your local Sephora or Ulta. Some of these products might be, but a lot of them aren't, and I like what the message is behind. So their subscription box is $26 a month, and if you purchase, now if you get, I have a promo code, so I have a link and a promo code. My promo code is Shannon50, and that will get you 50% off your first box. So your first box would be $13. So if you buy one box, or you buy several boxes, 6 month supply, then you'll still get $13 off the first box. Now, if you purchase using my link and you get a bulk of the 6 month subscription, you will also get an extra box. So they're not only going to give you $13 off or half off the first box, they are also going to give you an extra box if you purchase a 6 month subscription if you use my link. So thank you, Kinder Beauty Box, for offering that to my viewers, and I appreciate that. And let's get into what's inside. Now, each month there are 2 boxes, and a lot of times the products will overlap, but there'll be 1 or 2 products that are only in one of the boxes. This month for September 2022, there was the Purify box and the Brilliance box. I received the Purify box, and this month 4 of the 5 products were in both boxes. So there was only 1 product that I did not get. And so again, I got the Purify box, and it says the most purifying experience awaits you here. And it talks about all the products. So let's get into the first product, which is the OSEA Essential Hydrating Oil. This is, it values at $68. And here it is right here. Now I have tried, I think it's pronounced OSEA, but I have tried their moisturizer, but I've never tried their hydrating oil. And while I don't have dry skin, I have combination skin, but my skin can get dry, especially in the winter months. So I also will have dry under eyes, and I will put like a moisturizing oil under my eyes before my makeup. So that is something that I'll do, or I'll put an oil on at night, which is the oil that I've been using that I found in the box that I think it was April that I got the other box. So this is the oil. It is 1 fluid ounce, and I have just opened this. So let's see, I'm gonna pump it out. Okay, I mean, it's oil. So let's see, here we go. And yeah, it's really nice. Ooh, it smells really nice. So let's see what it says about this oil. Okay, it says classics withstand the test of time for a reason. This ultra moisturizing, age-defying facial oil has been a cult favorite for 25 years, thanks to a nourishing blend of 8 essential oils that visibly plump skin and reduce the appearance of fine lines, including jojoba and macadamia oils that deliver all-day moisture for a glowing complexion. So 1, it smells amazing, but it also absorbs pretty well. It does leave a little glow to the skin, but I don't feel my hand is greasy. it just definitely feels just moisturized. So really interested to continue trying that. But it just smells amazing. Now the next product is the product that was only in the Purify box and not in the Brilliance box. And it is the Moonlit Skincare Pimple Patch Pack. So here it is, and this is $29. And it says, no pimples here. Say goodbye to pimples while you sleep with these little round patches that draw out impurities, reduce inflammation, and speed up the healing process. With 108 patches per pack, you'll be ready to tackle any blemish that rears its ugly head. Effective on all skin types, but especially oily, hormonal, and acne prone. So again, there's 808 patches in here. I have used these patches, not these patches, but I've used patches before, and they're brilliant. I especially use them when I used to compete in pageants because you're wearing makeup all the time and you're just gonna break out. So I would always have some of these. So they work. I just don't break out. Fortunately for me, I'm at a point in my life where I don't break out very often. So I don't know how much good use I'm gonna get of these. I do have some from another brand, but I will definitely put this in my travel bag to see if I ever have a breakout. But they do really work. I'm very fortunate that don't break out that often, that I'm gonna probably go through 108 is gonna last me probably a good while. Okay, so the next product is from Franklin and Whitman, and it is the Sea Salt Hair Mist. Here it is. And it is normally $19.95. I forgot to mention the pimple patches were $29. And this says it creates effortless, gorgeous, textured hair with this nourishing formula featuring lemongrass, bergamot, and clary sage to add volume and texture. Pink Himalayan Dead Sea and Epsom salts add fullness, hold, and a matte finish to any hair type, while aloe vera and sea kelp helps keep hair moisturized. So I've never used I've heard about this. I've just never used this. So I am anxious to try this, especially using my Dyson Airwrap, which I just haven't used in a while. But I'm curious if this would help hold the curl for that, because I try not to use that many products, but something more natural. So I'm really kind of curious if that will help. I'm also kind of curious if this will help with my son's hair. I'm kind of curious if this will help. I don't like putting hairspray. He's only 6, but this might, kind of keep it more in place without, I don't know. We'll see. But I am curious. Now, this is normally about $20. It smells great. So, it smells great. So let's see. I'll spray it on my hair. I mean, my hair is pretty straight. Ooh, I can taste the salt. But yeah, this is one of the things I like about beauty boxes is it gives you an opportunity to try things that you haven't tried before. So is this something that I would have purchased? No, but I am curious to try it. So, I'll try it out maybe this weekend. Okay, so the fourth product is from Well People, and it is the Travel Plant Powderfoliant. So I have never tried anything from Well People. At least I don't think so. I've heard of this brand. It is, I've heard really good things about it, but I've never tried anything. So this states that it is meet the softer side of exfoliation. This gentle powder transforms into comforting, creamy lather with just a few drops of water, then gets to work polishing and renewing your skin, featuring green tea, charcoal, and kaolin clay to buff away impurities. This hydrating exfoliator will reveal a brighter, smoother complexion. So here it is right here. It's a little tiny bottle, so it is a travel size. And I have used something similar from another company, but I've never used this one. So basically what you do is you wet your hands, you wet your face, and then you take this and you'll see it is like a charcoal. And then you're going to just it'll lather in your hand. Obviously, I don't have, my hands are not wet. You'll lather it on, and it's a very gentle exfoliant. So I'm going to be taking this weekend. This is a perfect, like I said, I mentioned we're going on a cruise. When this goes up, I will probably be on a cruise ship. So I'm going to be taking this, perfect for my travel bag. I always like, especially I'll be wearing makeup and in the sun. So yeah, I'm going to be taking this and using this. And it sees, it has the clay and the charcoal. So really interested in trying this. And yeah, I'm excited for this one. Okay, so the last item is from Volition, and it is the apple cider vinegar resurfacing peel pads. So I have never tried these, and I guess it's, I've tried peel pads before, but I've never tried this one, but I have tried some moisturizing cream or moisturizer from Volition, and it is fantastic. So it is a fantastic brand. And I also think I tried a facial scrub from them as well. Yes, I did a facial scrub from them as well. So it's a really great brand. Really anxious to try this. So this states, now this is only one pad, so this is only $4. It says this exfoliating peel pad features rockstar ingredient apple cider vinegar to hydrate, plump, and reduce excess oil, visibly enhancing your skin's natural complexion. Apple cider vinegar removes dead skin cells to promote brighter and smoother skin while balancing uneven tone and texture. So really anxious. I might even take this as well. Maybe not, because maybe I don't want to peel, but I might be using this after I get back from the cruise to kind of refresh my face, but really anxious to try this. And it says on here that this is something that you're supposed to use only 1 or 2 times a week until your face gets acclimated, because it's going to, obviously, if it's going to start to peel your face, to peel the skin off your face, you want it to get, you know, my face, I use a lot. I use tretinoin and I use a lot of, so my skin's pretty tough when it comes to these types of things. But if you've never used any sort of peel or acid or anything, then you want to go lightly on this. But I'm curious to try it. So this is, like I said, it's only one pad, but you know, yeah, and it's $4. So that's probably, you know, it's a good value too. Okay, so I did want to mention what was in the Brilliance box that I did not receive, just so you can kind of see what the items were. So in the other box was the Terra & Company Brilliant Black Toothpaste, and it's normally $20. And it says polish and shine with this antibacterial fluoride-free toothpaste that will whiten teeth and stop cavities by harnessing the powers of activated charcoal, coconut oil, and non-toxic polishers, blended with refreshing essential oils like peppermint and tea tree to tackle bad breath. You'll be left with a satisfying, fresh, and clean mouth. So honestly, to be honest, perfectly honest, I would have preferred that, only because I just don't break out very often. So the pimple patches are something that I'm not going to get much use out of. Now, if I did have more occasional brow, and I mean, honestly, I do get breakouts, just not that often. I would have used the toothpaste. So I would have preferred that. However, I will get use out of the patches. Like I said, I will put that in my travel bag so that I have them when on vacation, because that's usually when you tend to have a breakout. But you know, that item actually looks really, really cool. So really interesting. I like, you know, the idea of fluoride-free toothpaste, and yeah, seems like a really good box too. So I did mention there's going to be a giveaway, and Kinder Beauty has been gracious enough to provide a box to give away to one of my viewers. So entry is really simple. If you're watching this on Shannon Loves Makeup, all you need to do is make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. That is it. This video, this giveaway is going to run for about a week. So it's probably going to end, I think, on October 2nd. That's the plan. The date will be below. So the date will be when it's going to be ended. It will end at midnight. So as long as your comment is on the date of the end date, then you will be entered. But you just need to make sure you're subscribed to my channel, like the video, and leave a comment. And that is it. And you know, definitely, if you are interested in purchasing a Kinder Beauty box, the subscription, definitely use my link and my promo code. My promo code will save you $13. And if you get a 6-month subscription, you will also get a free box. So with that, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, click like, click and subscribe. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Bye everyone.